Located amidst the Aravali hills is the Ajgandheshwar Mahadev temple, which is believed to have been established by Lord Brahma himself. It is also said that Lord Shiva took the form of a goat to slay a demon, and hence this place came to be known as Ajgandheshwar. The word Aj means goat, which is why Shiva in this form is also known as Bakreshwar Mahadev. According to the local priest, the glory of this place is tied to an ancient legend. It is said that in Pushkar, a demon named Vashkali performed severe penance for 10,000 years. Pleased by his penance, Lord Brahma granted him a boon that he could not be killed by any deity, member of the Trinity or human, and that no weapon could harm him. Empowered by this boon, the demon conquered Indralok. Terrified, Lord Indra sought help from Brahma, who advised him to worship Lord Shiva. Pleased with Indra's penance, Lord Shiva promised to destroy the demon Vashkali. One day, after bathing and performing rituals at Pushkar Lake, the demon was returning to his abode when he saw an unusually large goat. Seeing the goat awakened his demonic instincts and desiring to eat its flesh, he began chasing it. While running after the goat, he reached this very spot where Shiva in the form of the goat killed him using his horns. After the demon slaying, Lord Brahma requested Shiva to stay at this place. Honoring the request, Shiva agreed to be present here with his entire family once every year. It is believed that on Kartik Chaturdashi, Lord Shiva visits this place with his family. A unique belief associated with this site is that even today, devotees who offer water to the Shivling and then rub it with both hands can smell the scent of a goat on their palms. It is said that this divine experience is not granted to everyone. Only true devotees of Shiva can feel it. Near the temple lies the Samadhi of Raja Jaipal, the founder of Ajmer. Raja Jaipal was a great devotee of Mahadev and offered Ganga water on the Shivling every day. It is believed that using his spiritual powers he would bring Ganga water all the way from Haridwar. Pleased with his devotion, Mother Ganga blessed him that he no longer needed to travel to Haridwar. She herself would manifest at this place. Behind the temple, in the forest lies the sacred Ganga Bauri, a water source that never dries up. It is said that after these divine events, the present city of Ajmer was established at its current location. Om Namah Shivaya.